By 2025, the world was racing. Autonomous agents coded, planned, and synthesized at inhuman speeds. Boardrooms buzzed with talk of exponential curves. 10 years in 10 weeks, they said. But in the background, another story stirred. Not in tech labs, but in business units, classrooms, hospitals, city halls. Not with hype, but with deliberate human emphasis. A new movement emerged, one that asked not how fast, but what for. They called it hybrid intelligence. It began with a charter, which slowly grew to a standard. A way to certify AI systems that kept humans in the loop, as sources of wisdom, not friction. These pioneers weren't chasing the frontier. They were redrawing it. In 2026, while others scaled compute, they scaled trust. Engineers co-designed with nurses. Teachers trained tutors. Human judgment seamlessly merged with AI predictions. Creating these integrated workflows was messy, slow, uncertain. But something happened. Inside these HI organizations, workers didn't resist change. They co-created it. And then, ROI. Not initially in code throughput, but in loyalty, in creativity, in contracts won through HI certification and human-made branding. It was just enough to survive the valley of death and keep going. By 2027, hybrid intelligence started out competing AI-first organizations, and governments noticed. Procurement rules shifted. Tax incentives favored HI-labeled systems. By 2030, the world had changed. Not because AI took over, but because we made it sit beside us. Co-creation became the future of work. We didn't win the race by running faster. We won it by changing what was worth racing toward. Hybrid intelligence. Not just safer AI, a better future.